How to add a card to Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Health Tech, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can add a card to your Coinbase account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Maybe you want to add a debit or credit card, or maybe you simply want to add a payment method. It's very simple to do so. All you have to do is first go ahead and launch the Coinbase application on your phone, and once you launch the Coinbase app you will see this kind of interface. So over here you have to tap on the dot icons, which is at the very top left hand side. Once you tap on those icons here, you'll find the option called profile and settings. So you just need to go ahead and tap on it. As you tap on profile and settings option, under payment methods you'll find add a payment method. So just tap on that one again. Now you have the option to actually add your credit or debit card. It says use any debit or credit card, Visa or MasterCard to buy crypto. Use a Visa debit card to cash out if you want to. So just go ahead and tap on it. Once you do that, you have to first of all link your card. So it will ask you to enter the card code, your CVV number, and so on. Enter the name on your card. Also make sure to enter your card number, enter the expiration date, your CVC number, your postal code, agree to the terms and conditions, and just tap on the add card button, which is at the bottom of the screen. And that's all it takes to add card on Coinbase. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.